account to Discord. If you get the error, failed to connect your YouTube account to Discord, it usually happens because of authorization issues, cached login sessions, or browser conflicts between Discord and YouTube. Try these fixes. Fix 1. Reconnect from Discord settings. 1. Open Discord. 2. Go to User Settings. Click Connections. 4. Select YouTube 5. Try connecting again. If the connection was partially authorized before, reconnecting usually fixes it. Have Fix 2. Use a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or cookies block authorization. Try connecting using another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. Log into YouTube first, then connect it from Discord. Fix 3. Clear browser cookies. Old login sessions can break the connection. Steps. 1. Press Ctrl-Delete. 2. Clear cookies and cache data. 3. Restart the browser. 4. Connect YouTube again. Have Fix 4. Disable extensions or ad blockers. Extensions that block scripts can prevent the authorization window from working. Temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers. Then try connecting again. Fix 5. Remove previous authorization. If the YouTube account was previously connected, revoke access and reconnect. 1. Go to your Google account settings. 2. Open security, third-party access. 3. Remove Discord access. 4. Reconnect your account from Discord. Fix 6. Try Discord desktop app. If the browser connection fails, try connecting from the desktop app of Discord. Sometimes the OAuth login works better there. SEO titles. 1. Failed to connect YouTube account.